Let's go swimming. Swimming with a tropa. So guys, of course, magko-coffee muna tayo. Ang init na. Let's go!
I'd probably start with. I like the way she smiles. She got me staring for a while. Got me staring for a while. Yeah, yeah. Baby, it's our conversation. She's my favorite notification. She knows how to dress for special occasions.
Uy, uy, uy.
Hoy, baka maano ka dyan.
Alam ka na naman na hindi nagpapaalam eh.
Ano lang? Ay, pasta ba to?
Kain sila namin si Jobel.
Nakalimang sola ako boy, walang nasagot.
Hindi ka try ng
Kanin.
Pero sama daw.
Tamis naman ito sobra.
Oo, ang tamis nga. Ano ba kinuha mo? Caramelo? Ang tamis na.
Tamis boy.
Ang dami niyang nilagay na caramelo.
Oo. Pag hinalo mo boy, lalo
Basta
tatamis
tamis.
boy.
Boy, penging ako boy.
Hindi naman tayo matutuloy boy. Kung hindi ako ginising na rin. Pag gising sa akin, nakaligo na lahat gumising na daw boy. Putik na yan.
It is what it is, man, whatever. Whatever, is it okay? Whatever, you feel the same. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Whatever, caught my eye. Whatever, cross that line. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Mixed signals, can't understand what she's been saying, but my mind's fickle, don't know what game I've been playing. Whatever, is it okay? Whatever, you feel the same. I'm telling you now, it's whatever.
Ano yan? Practice Olympics. Aray ka. Tignan mo naman ang tatlo. Nagpa-practice para sa Olympics daw. Say hi!
Parang na malaka eh.
Baka triplets yun. Kaya bitawang pa eh. Yung nagbabalibal.
No! Hindi boy! Hindi mo boy! Hindi mo boy!
M.O. baby, push the tempo. Don't know how much longer till I hit the ground running. Are you stopping me? You gotta go like Monopoly. I'm tryna make you my property. Better yet, buy me some property. Cause we've been doing this forever. Guess it's never, never. I've been waiting. But every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow.
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. We're here at Roadhouse. Please subscribe. So this is my friend, Heinz, single, ready to mingle. And this is my friend from Milan.
Kuya na, bahala ka.
And he's a handsome guy. And this is the my friend. He's from Malaysia. This is Rich. Yeah, Rich. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Hi, sorry, welcome. And this is the girlfriend of Tipan. Yan guys. 17. And the handsome guy. This is the girl. The boyfriend of the girlfriend. So guys, this is my vlog. The owner of this camera is this love of the life of friend Drake. And this is him. So guys, we're gonna eat steak. So guys, alam niyo ang buhay, masaya ang buhay. So guys, I turn back and look at the place guys. Damn, it's beautiful. You see? Ba't mo akong habulin? Ba't mo akong hinabol mo? Yung view nga eh.
Kahit tumalikot ka, boy.
Oh. Look at me, I'm handsome because of the lightning. Look at this guy. Ba't natabing ko?
Susundan
Ito?
ka yan, boy.
Yan. Guys, I have a friend. He's white. He never been black. Look at now. Look at him. He's so red. Yan. This is him. Damn, so beautiful. Damn, beautiful. Give me some kiss. No, she's... Guys. She is beautiful. So guys, sorry. Goodbye.
Oy,
Subscribe.